Welcome to Phnom Tamao Mountain, a true hidden gem nestled in the heart of Cambodia. Here, the vibrant tapestry of nature unfolds before you, a sanctuary where wildlife thrives and adventure awaits at every turn. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of this remarkable destination, a place where ancient history whispers through the trees and the calls of exotic creatures fill the air. Today we venture deep into the heart of Phnom Tamao, following hidden trails and exploring ancient ruins, all while encountering the remarkable creatures that call this place home. From the lush canopies of the rainforest to the serene shores of its hidden lakes, Phnom Tamao offers a glimpse into a world untouched by time. Get ready to witness the beauty of nature's finest creations as we count down the top 10 best places to visit in this incredible destination. Prepare to be captivated by the wonders that await, and let the adventure begin. Our first stop takes us to the Phnom Tamao Wildlife Rescue Center, a beacon of hope for Cambodia's most vulnerable creatures. Here, dedicated conservationists work tirelessly to rehabilitate animals rescued from the clutches of the illegal wildlife trade, providing them with a second chance at life. Wander through the center's sprawling enclosures and you'll come face to face with a remarkable array of rescued animals. Sun bears, once exploited for their bile, now bask in the sun, while majestic tigers, rescued from poachers' snares, pace with a newfound sense of freedom. The air buzzes with the sounds of primates chattering in their spacious enclosures, a symphony of life echoing the center's commitment to conservation. Our journey continues to the heart of the mountain, where we encounter the gentle giants of Phnom Tamao, the elephants. This sanctuary provides a safe haven for these majestic creatures, many of whom have endured unimaginable hardship at the hands of humans. Here, rescued elephants roam free across vast landscapes, their spirits unbroken. Witness the bonds of family as mothers gently tend to their young, their trunks intertwined in a display of affection. Observe their playful nature as they bathe in mud wallows, their wrinkled skin caked in cooling mud, and listen closely as their rumbles of contentment echo through the valley. Phnom Tamao is a place where history intertwines with nature, and nowhere is this more evident than at the ancient Angkorian ruins scattered throughout the mountain. These crumbling temples, remnants of a once mighty empire, stand as silent sentinels to a bygone era. Step back in time as you explore the intricate carvings that adorn the temple walls, each one telling a story of Cambodia's rich cultural heritage. Imagine the rituals that once took place within these sacred grounds, the air thick with incense and the chanting of monks. Feel the weight of history as you wander through these ancient corridors, and let your imagination transport you to a time long ago. Prepare to be dazzled by a kaleidoscope of colors as we enter the Phnom Tamao Botanical Gardens. Here, a breathtaking array of plant life from across Cambodia and beyond awaits, a testament to the country's rich biodiversity. Stroll through tranquil pathways lined with vibrant orchids, their delicate petals unfurling in the warm Cambodian sun. Marvel at the towering palms that reach for the sky, their leaves casting intricate shadows on the ground below. Inhale the sweet fragrance of exotic flowers, their intoxicating perfumes carried on the gentle breeze, and let the tranquility of this natural oasis wash over you. For the adventurous souls seeking breathtaking views, Phnom Tamao offers a network of hiking trails that wind their way through the dense jungle. Lace up your boots and embark on an unforgettable trek to the mountain's summit, where panoramic vistas await. As you ascend through the lush rainforest, listen carefully for the calls of exotic birds hidden amongst the foliage, and keep your eyes peeled for the elusive creatures that inhabit this verdant world. The air grows cooler as you climb higher, rewarding your efforts with stunning views of the Cambodian countryside stretching out before you. Phnom Tamao is a paradise for birdwatchers, home to an astonishing diversity of avian life. Grab your binoculars and prepare to be captivated by a symphony of colors as we venture to the mountain's best birdwatching spots. Positioned within a camouflaged hide, we'll patiently observe as vibrant kingfishers dart across streams, their iridescent feathers catching the sunlight. High above, majestic raptors circle effortlessly on thermals, their keen eyes scanning the ground below for prey. The air buzzes with the melodies of countless songbirds, their voices adding to the soundtrack of this vibrant ecosystem. After a morning of exploration, what better way to recharge than with a relaxing picnic amidst the tranquility of Phnom Tamao? Scattered throughout the mountain are idyllic spots perfect for enjoying a leisurely lunch with family and friends. Spread your blanket beneath the shade of a sprawling banyan tree, its aerial roots creating a natural canopy overhead. Listen to the gentle murmur of nearby streams as you savor delicious Cambodian cuisine, the flavors enhanced by the fresh mountain air. Here, surrounded by nature's embrace, you'll find the perfect setting to create lasting memories. Enter a world of delicate beauty as we step into the enchanting butterfly garden, a haven for some of nature's most vibrant creations. Hundreds of butterfly species flutter through the air, their wings painted in an array of dazzling colors. Watch in awe as these delicate creatures dance from flower to flower, their proboscises delicately sipping nectar. Observe the intricate patterns on their wings, each one a masterpiece of natural selection. The air hums with the gentle beating of countless wings, creating a symphony of motion and color that will leave you breathless. No trip to Phnom Tamao is complete without experiencing the vibrant culture of its people. Venture into the bustling local markets where the sights, sounds, and smells of Cambodian life fill the air. Browse through stalls overflowing with colorful fabrics, intricate handicrafts, and fresh produce, each item telling a story of local craftsmanship and tradition. Engage in friendly banter with the vendors, their warm smiles a testament to the welcoming nature of the Cambodian people. This is an opportunity to connect with the heart and soul of Phnom Tamao, where age-old traditions thrive alongside modern life. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, Phnom Tamao's Adventure Park offers a thrilling escape amongst the treetops. Challenge yourself on a series of zip lines, rope bridges, and obstacle courses, all while surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of the rainforest. Feel the wind in your hair as you soar through the canopy, the ground a distant blur below. Test your limits, conquer your fears, and experience the exhilaration of adventure in one of Cambodia's most unique settings. The jungle becomes your playground, offering an unforgettable experience for thrill seekers of all ages. As our journey through the wonders of Phnom Tamao draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe at the beauty and resilience of the natural world. From the rescued wildlife finding solace in sanctuary, to the ancient ruins whispering tales of the past, this hidden gem of Cambodia has captured our hearts and left us yearning for more. We hope this glimpse into the magic of Phnom Tamao has inspired you to embark on your own adventure, to witness firsthand the incredible biodiversity and cultural richness that this destination has to offer. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and Phnom Tamao awaits those ready to explore its hidden trails and uncover its secrets. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Phnom Tamao Mountain. We hope you get the chance to explore these amazing places and create unforgettable memories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides and adventures.